It seems few of your friends are not going to join today. Okay, tell me which topic you want to start with. Daria? Tell me, Daria, are you here?
I don't remember.
Sorry? No, actually, class 12th topic will be starting from the scratch. Okay. Tell me today, or else we shall we go with the JE of uh, sequence and series?
Yes, sir.
What do you say, Varsha? Have you solved a sequence and series JE questions?
No, sir, I solved only NCR.
Okay, so you know the concept, right? So let me give the questions on that, just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, solve this question. The first question is, this is a question, let 1 by 16 comma a comma b are in GP, geometric progression. Okay, 1 by a comma 1 by b comma 1 by 6 b in arithmetic progression, where a comma b greater than 0, then 72 of a plus b is equal to dash. Options not given, fill in the blank question. Quite simple question. Done, got an idea? Any idea? Actually, see here, if a comma b comma c are in GP, what is the condition? B square is equal to AC. Correct? Mohammad Jafar is joining now. Now a comma b comma c are in AP is nothing but 2 times of b is equal to a plus c. 2 times of b is equal to a plus b, a plus c. So this is the condition we'll be using here. Okay. So here these 3 numbers are in GP. These 3 numbers are in AP. Correct. So for these 3 numbers, what is the condition I'm going to apply? B square. B. What is the B value here? This is A value. This is B value. This is C value. Correct. Understood my point? A is 1 by 16, B is equal to A, C is equal to B. So these are in AP, sorry, AP, GP given, okay, sorry, GP, okay, geometric progression. So since they are in GP, what is the condition? B square. B square is what? A. B is A, right? So A square is equal to AC. A value is what? 1 by 16 into B. So A square is equal to B by 16. A square is equal to B by 16. This is what the condition I got. Let us consider the equation number 1. Okay, keep it aside. Jafar ji are here. We are solving sequence and series questions, Jafar ji. So please involve in the class. Why are you late? Here A value is 1 by A, B value is 1 by B, C value is 6. These are in what? These are in arithmetic progression. For arithmetic progression, what is the condition I told? 2 times of B is equal to A plus B, right? So 2 times of B. B is nothing but 2. B is nothing but 1 by B given to you. A, what is A? 1 by A plus 6. Correct? So 2 times of B. Here from this, okay, let us not take this as equation number 1. So from this, we'll find out 1 by B value. Okay, what is 1 by B value from this? Okay, 1 by B is equal to 1 by 16 A square, correct? Am I correct? Let us take this as equation number 1. So 1 by B, I can substitute here now. 1 by B, 1 by 16 A square is equal to 1 by A plus 6. So why did you substitute? Tell me here. So that the entire equation becomes in terms of A. So which makes my calculation easy now. Check. So 1 by 8 A square plus, oh, 1 second. 1 by A plus, 1 second, 6. Okay. So 1 by 8 A square minus 1 by A minus 6 is equal to 0. So what is LCM? 8 A square is LCM. Right? So 1 minus 8A minus 8A square is equal to 0. Correct? So now, what are the values of A going to be now? Here, this is 6, right? Oh my goodness. So 48 beta here. 6, 4, 8, 6, 48, right? So 48 square plus 8A minus 1 is equal to 0. This is what the equation I get from this. Correct? Now tell me, how can I write this? What is the A values are going to be? Factorization, after 40 factorization, you get 48. 1 second. 48. Can I write like minus 12A, so plus 12A minus 8A minus 1 is equal to 0. So taking 12A common, so 4A plus 1 minus taking 8 common, not 8 common, so you take it as 1 common. Okay, minus 1, so 8A plus 1. Okay, here also make sure that you are getting 6 common. Okay, 6 common, still we are not getting. So look at this, 12 8, so much. I think here 4A beta, not 8A, 4A. 12 minus 4, then only 8, right? Correct. So correct only. 12A taking common, 4A plus 1 minus 1 common, 4A plus 1 is equal to 0. So 4A plus 1 again common. So what you are going to left with now? 12A minus 1 is equal to 0. So A is equal to minus 1 by 4 and A value is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Better look at this here. These are the values I got. A value minus 1 by 4 and here the condition given to you here is A and B must be greater than 0. A and B must be greater than 0. So A value can't be 1 by 4 now. So it is negligible now. So this is what my A value is going to be. Correct? So we need to find out B value as well. So how can I find out B value? So from the first equation, 1 by B is equal to 1 by 16 into A square. What is A value? 1 by 12, right? So 1 by 12, 1 by 12 whole square, right? 1 by B is equal to 1 by 16 into 1 by 144. 16 1 69. So 1 by B is equal to 1 by 9. B value is 9. Correct? B value is 9 I got. A value 1 by 12 I got. Okay. So let's substitute here. So what we need to find out? Therefore 72 times of A plus B we need, right? 72 times of A plus B we need. Substitute here 72 into A. A is what? 1 by 12 plus B is what? 9. So 72 times of 1 plus 12 nines 108 divided by 12, 12 ones 12 6, 109 times of 6. Okay, think 1 by b square. Correct. B value is what? B value is 1 by 9. I think we made a mistake. Not 9 here. 1 by 9. 1 by b. Yes, 1 by b is equal. Here it will be. Look at this. Why? Because look at this, 1 by 16 into 1 by 144, right? So 16, so 1 by 1 by 9. 1 by 1 by 9. 1 second. So 1 by b is equal to 9. Then b value is what? 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 you have to substitute here, not 9. Then your answer is going to be quite simple. 1 by 9. So 72. LCM is what? So 36 is LCM. So 3 plus 4 ones, twos, 14 is the answer. 7 option 14, yes. 14 is the right answer. So answer is what? 14. Dash is 14. Correct? Any doubt, guys? Very simple question actually. If you know, this has been asked in 2021. Check. ABC are in GP, ABC are in AP. Then conditions you must know. If you know those conditions, after I just applied that, found A and B values, substituted there, I got the answer. Clear? Shall I go for the next question? Yes. Varsha, understood Varsha? You know this condition, right? If ABC are in GP, if ABC are in AP, GP means B square is equal to AC, AP means 2B is equal to A plus C. You know this, right?
Yes, sir.
Square of the middle term, square of the mean is equal to product of their extremes when they are in GP. Twice of the mean is equal to product, I mean, sum of their extremes when they are in AP. Correct? This is GP condition, this is AP condition. You must know this. For sequence and series question, you must know this. It helps a lot. In many questions, we'll be using these conditions. Okay, next question.
Sir, can you scroll before?
No, I'll share this notes. Look at this, I'll share this note. Do not at all worry about this. Don't worry. I'll be sharing these notes. I'll be uploading in Google Classroom. But focus now. Please try to focus on listening the class. After the class, you may solve by your own, or else you can copy from the Google Classroom if you want. Simple, no problem. Or else if you want to copy along with the class, you can copy. So guys, this is those who have listened, those who have attended the determinants lesson. For them it is quite easy actually. So no problem. Varsha, no problem. I'll teach you how to solve this question. Quite simple. Finding determinant of a matrix. You know what is matrix, right?
Yes,
Varsha,
sir.
you know what is matrix, how to add to matrices. You know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I got this question. Yes, everyone solve this. I think options. What are the options given to you? This is also fill in the blank question. Okay. You know that, right? There will be fill in the blank questions in JEE Mains. Everyone know that, right? There will be fill in the blank questions also, guys. Not only MCQs. You'll be having fill in the blank questions as well. Oh my God. Solve this question. See, 3 terms given to you. 1 comma log 4 to the power of x minus 2 base 10 and log 4 to the power of x plus 18 by 5 base 10 are in arithmetic progression. I just gave the conditions to you. Concept is same, but the terms has been changed. The terms changed. That's it. What is the arithmetic progression condition? Twice of the middle term is equal to sum of the extremes. So 2 times of log 4 to the power of x minus 2 base 10 is equal to 1 plus log 4 to the power of x plus 18 by 5 base 10. Solve that. Yeah, bit lengthy, a somewhat lengthy calculation, but easy. मोहम्मद जी क्या हुआ जी? Mohammed, first of all, happy Ramjan. I forgot, sorry. Are you listening to the class, Mohammed? Hello? I think he left the phone somewhere. Okay. These are in arithmetic progression. So this is A, this is B, this is C. If I consider the mass like that, 2 times of B is equal to A plus C. 2 times of B. What is B beta? Log 4 to the power of x minus 2 base 10 is equal okay, 1 plus C. What is C? Log 10, so log 4 to the power of x plus. This is what I have here. So 2 times of, you should know the logarithmic properties very well, man. Okay, here I have log, here I have 1. So I don't have other way to do here. Taking this 1, guys, writing this 1 as, can I take that as log 10 base 10? Of course, I can just do that. Plus log of 4 to the power of x base 10. Now solve this. Look at this here. How it is log a plus log b, log ab. 2 times of log a into b. Log a into b, correct? Base 10 in fact. So now here I can remove log on both sides, or else we'll do one thing. Sir, you have 2 here. How can you remove the log? As we know the formula, look at this here. We know this formula, right? Everyone, if you do not know, note it this. If at all I have something like log x to the power of n, this n will jump forward. It will become like this, correct? Log x to the power of n can be written as n into log x. So now this can be written as log of 4 to the power of x minus 2 base 10. In fact, this 2 will be jump and sit on the power. So log of base 10, 10 of 4 to the power of x plus 18 by 5, correct? Okay, now here I can remove log on both sides by applying anti-log, or you can cancel log on both sides, no problem. So 4 to the power of x. See guys, I have 4 to the power of x on either of the sides. On either of the sides I have 4 to the power of x. So let 4 to the power of x as something, any term you take, Babu, y or as x, anything you take. I'm taking it as x, so y. So I can write in terms of y everything. Look at this, 10 into y plus 18 by 5. Correct? So now look at this here. Y minus 2 whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 4y. minus 2ab means minus 4y. So 10y plus this is 18 by 5, right? So this can be written as what? 36. 10 into 18 by 5 is 36. So now look at it here, 10y square minus 14y minus 32 is equal to 0. Now how can you split this as? Minus 32y square, 16 twos, right? Minus 16y plus 2y minus 32 is equal to 0. Y taking common, y minus 16 plus 2 common, y minus 16. So y value is 16 and y value minus 2. Correct? Y value 16 and minus 2 I got. Now beta minus, see here, minus 2 I will not be considering here. Why? Tell me. Here, look at this here beta, 1 second. If you take y value, look at this, what happens. Y value is what? 4 to the power of x. Y is equal to 4 to the power of x. That is what I took. Look at this here. So 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. 4 to the power of x is equal to 16 can be written as 4 square. So x value is 2 here, right? So now look at this, 4 to the power of x is equal to minus 2. It is quite impossible. You can't get that. So we'll be taking x value as 2 now, right? X value 2 I got. So now what I'm going to do now? My job done. Like 80% of the 90% of the question has been done now. So taking that x value, substituting here and finding a determinant. Is it a difficult one now? Tell me. 2 times of x value 2, right? So 2 minus half. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 square is 4. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0. Now look at this here. 2 minus half how much? 1.2 minus half. 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2, which is 3. Right? Got it, my point. Hello guys. 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus half is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2 gives me 3 only. So that's how I just wrote 3 here. So now, what is her name? Varsha ji, you didn't listen determinants classes, right? So I'll tell you a simple method how to find out the determinant of a matrix. Okay. Here I'll be fixing one row beta. Okay. You can find out the determinant either by row wise or column wise, by expanding row wise or by column wise. So what I do here is I'll just expand along with row 1. This is my row 1, right? This is my row 1, correct? So whenever you are expanding along with particular row, you have to just close that particular row and particular column. I'll expanding along with row 1, or else I'll just take this determinant somewhat down. Let's create some space so that I can solve it freely. Okay, let's yes, let me write here. Yeah, now look at this. So this is my row 1 beta, right? Row 1 expanding along with row 1, expanding along row 1. So whenever you expand along with a particular row or particular column, you have to fix the elements of that particular row. Look at this here. I'm just fixing this 3 now. 3. What is the position of 3 here? A11, correct? 1 1 or not? What is the I value here? 1. What is the J value here? 1. So sum of their suffixes giving you what? Sum of their suffixes, which is nothing but sum of I and J is what? 1 plus 1 is what beta? 2, right? Even number. So if it is even, I'll be writing plus here. Okay. Now after fixing the 3, close that particular row and column. So now look at it, a 0 minus 0, 0 minus 2. Okay. Now one more thing. Expanding along with row 1 I said. So in the row 1 we fixed 3 and just found that. Now fixing 1 now. When you fix that particular row beta, I'll be closing that particular row and that particular column. Okay, I'll be just striking it out. Now what are the things you left with now? Minus 1 I'm fixing, right? So 1 I'm fixing, right? 1 I'll be writing. In front of 1 I'll be writing minus. By default it will be minus. Why it is minus? Check. What is the position of 1 here? A12, which is 1, right? So sum of suffixes is what here? Sum of suffixes is what? Odd number. So whenever you get odd, you always write minus in front of the number. Whenever you get even, you write always plus. That is the matrix, default rule. I repeat, whenever you get I plus J as even, your sign will be always positive. Okay, whenever you get sum of their suffixes as odd, you always write that as negative number, correct? Negative symbol. So the position of that one, the position of that entry called one is what? A12. A12 is nothing but sum of their suffixes giving me odd number, so I'm writing minus here. So now look at it here, 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 2, which is 4. Basically the formula for finding determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is better. Look at it here, A into D minus BC, right? You are new to this lesson, that is what I'm teaching you again. So AD minus BC, right? So that is what I'm doing here. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So 1 into 0, which is 0, minus 2 into 2, which is 4, right? Now I just done with 1. Now fixing which element now? Which element you left with? 4. Okay, closing that particular row, particular column. Now this into this, 4.
1.
1 minus 0. So 3 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 4, plus 4. So minus 6 plus 8, answer is 2. This is my final answer. Understood my point? So expand,
Yes, sir.
finding the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is quite simple. Finding the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is quite simple. Look at this here. You just find out by using this formula. But finding the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is quite different than finding 2 by 2 matrix determinants. Okay. Yes. So this is the way of finding determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. I expanded along with row 1. So it does not mean that you can't expand row 2, row 3. You can even do that. Or you can even expand column 1, column 2, column 3. You can expand any one of the row and column. You can find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. But for our convenient purpose, so I just take always row 1 and expand along with that particular row. While expanding along with row 1, you always get by default here plus, minus, plus. Why we are getting plus, minus, plus there? Since sum of their suffixes give me even, odd, again even. So that is the reason why we are keeping plus, minus, plus. Hope you got the point. Yes, again you'll be learning in a brief manner when once you start with the determinants lesson from your school side. So that is a different thing. So hope you got it now. So you just go through this, that's fine. Again you'll be learning. So let me go for the next question now. Hope it is clear, guys. Answer is 2 here. How many of you got the 2? Yes. Yes. Now everyone solve this question 5th one. Let me take a snap of this. Let me snap. Let me snip this and paste it out here. Yes. This is also 2021 question only. Yes, yes. Can you? Yeah. Tell me the answer.
So your voice is not audible.
No, I gave the time. Slope of line passing
So
through
we
all.
have to solve this.
Then why did I give the question, Varsha? Tell me. Huh? Quite obvious, kada? ఇప్పుడు నేను టైం ఎందుకు ఇచ్చిన అనుకుంటున్నావు నువ్వు? You know Telugu, right, Varsha?
No, sir.
You don't know Telugu. Acha. I gave time to solve.
Okay, sir.
Got it? What is the answer, Jaffer? Have you done with the fifth one? Dhairya ji, have you done with the fifth one? Are you able to apply? See, my internet is somewhat unstable. My goodness. Yes. Very simple. Look at this here, beta. If you can write this as what? Let us take this as S. S is equal to 100 into 100 plus 99 into 101 plus 98 into 102 dash 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 till 1 into 199 given to you. Okay. So sum of these n terms, summation of from the first term to the last term. How many terms you have? 99. So 100, this can be written as 100 minus r into 100 plus r. Correct. Now look at this. Tn can be written as what? Summation of r is equal to 0 to 99. A square minus b square formula. Okay. A square minus b square formula here. So Tn is equal to what? Summation of r is equal to 0 to 99 into 100 square minus summation of r is equal to 0 to 99 r square. Okay. So this is what you just get it. Okay. Now 100 square into this can be written as what? 100 square is a constant, so let me write into 1 here. So r is equal to 0 to 99 r square. Correct. So now look at this here. 100 square into 100. Okay. 0 to 1 you add all that 900 minus 1 by what is the answer here? But look at this. What is sum of the squares? Sum of the squares of n numbers. So what do you get here? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Like this, beta. 1 square plus, let's write here. 1 square plus 2 square dash dash till n square. What is the answer? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Correct. This is the formula I'll be using here. So 1 by 6 into 99 into 99 plus 1 into 198 plus 1. Correct. I applied this n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 formula. Hope it is clear. Hope you are applying. Okay. Yes, this is one. Now 100 cube minus 1 by 6 into 99 into 100 into 199. So we can cancel it as how? 2 3, sorry, 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 1s, 2 50s. Cancel it now. Look at this. 1000 minus 199 into 55 into 3, 165, 10. Correct. So this equal to what, beta? Something given 100 to the power of alpha something, right? Yes, this s value, this value is s, but this equal to what? 100 to the power of alpha minus 99 beta, right? 199 beta. Okay. So look at this here, beta. 100 to the power of alpha minus 199 beta is equal to 1000. Yes, obvious. Look at this here. Very simple, beta. Compare on both sides. Comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. Instead of look at this is equal to this you have here. This is equal to this. Check. Then beta is equal to what, beta? See here. 199 as it is I have. In place of beta I have this. Okay. 100 to the power of 100 to the power of comparing on both sides. 100 to the power of alpha minus 199 beta. This can be written as what? 100 to the power of 1 second. So alpha value is what? Direct 100, 10 to the power of 3, right? 10 cube, 10 cube minus 199 into 1650. So alpha value is 3, beta value is 1650. Correct? Okay. Now beta look at this here. What he has given here. We have to find out slope of the line passing through alpha, beta, and origin. Slope of line passing through alpha comma beta and origin given to you 0, 0. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the slope? y2 minus y1. y2 is what? 0. Minus y1 is what? Beta. Beta value is what? 1650 divided by x2. 0 minus x1. x1 is alpha, so 3. So 1650 divided by 3. 3 ones, 3 fives, 3 fives, 550. Look at this, m value is 550. Answer is 550 is the answer. Check kar lo. Option B is correct. Guys, quite lengthy question, but simple one only. Next, solve this question. Solve this. Hope you are solving. Try at least. Try to solve the question. Guys, I'll give a same type of question. I'll give a hint here. This take this question as homework. Take this question as a homework. So you write nth term. Nth term can be written as what here? Tell me. 3. Directly, let me write here. So 2n plus 1 whole square minus 1. Here, but this can be written as. Okay, correct. N value is 1 means here 3 square minus 1. Yes, like that only. If you have any idea, you can go with that idea as well. No problem. But this is the procedure to solve, guys. Are you getting idea, or else you want me to teach this? Are you getting the idea or not, or else you want me to help? Quite simple question. Very simple question. It comes within 4 to 5 steps. You can solve this question within 4 to 5 steps. Think. Think what happened. See, you have to respond in the class. See, if you don't respond, what happens is बेटा देखो थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकती है समझने में. Respond किया करो क्लास में तो आपको थोड़ा it is a quite helpful and quite easy for you to understand. Let me tell you one thing here. If you don't understand, very simple. Within 2 to 3 steps you can solve it. Look at this. But till 201 he has given. Till 201. So now look at this. This obviously look at this here. Summation of n is equal to 1 to 100. 1 by 2n plus 1 whole square minus 1 जैसा दिख रहा है. देखो, isn't it? So n value substitute 1. So 3 square minus 1. N value 2, you will get this. N value 3, you will get this. 4, you will get like this. And so on, you will be getting. Am I correct? Check kar lo. N value substitute 1 beta. So 3 square minus 1. N value 2 substitute denominator is what? 2, 4, 4, 5. 5 minus 1. N value 3. Substitute karo 6, 7 square minus 1. Check kar lo. All the denominators are getting like that only. So that is how I just can write like that. Yes. Now, look at this. This can be written as what? Summation of n is equal to 1 to 100. 1 by a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. This will get cancelled. So summation of n is equal to 1 to 100. 1 by 4n square plus 4n. So here look at this beta. Here 4n square 4. So multiplying and dividing with the 2 here. Multiplying and dividing with the 2. Isn't it? Multiply and divide with the 2. So what happens now? 1 by 2 n is equal to 1 to 100. So 1 by this can be written as what? 2n plus 2 into 2n. Can I write like this? This denominator 4n square. So 2n I'm taking common, Babu. That's it. Taking 2n common. So again, what I have to do here? N is equal to 1 to 100. So in the denominator, 2n plus 2 minus 2n. We had 2 in fact here. So denominator adding 2n, subtracting 2n in the denominator. In the in the numerator, I'm adding and subtracting 2n beta so that I can get to original function. I can check. Yes. So why you are adding, subtracting like that? Why? Because in denominator I have something different. In the denominator I have something like this. So for making in terms of that, I'm just adding and subtracting 2n here. So now split it. Khatam. Dekho 1 by 2 summation of n is equal to 1 to 100. So this by this by this. Splitting the term. So what you're going to get now? 1 by 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 2. Now apply the formula. That's it. 1 by 2. 1 by 2n, right? So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, and plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. N value 2 means substitute n value 3 minus 8. Like this you will get dash 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 n value 100. So substitute karo 100. So 200 minus 202. Are you getting my point? This is how you get it. Substituting n value 1 to 100. Now, if you observe this properly, beta, 1 by 2 as it is. So look at it here, 1 by 4 here, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, understanding my point? Plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8, everything will get cancelled like this. Everything will get cancelled. So what you going to left with now? What you going to left with? The first term and the last term you will be remain with. Remain middle terms, everything will get cancelled. Common sense की बात है. देखो 1 by 2 minus 1 by 202. ठीक है? So 1 by 2 into LCM is beta what? LCM is 202. So here 101 minus 1. तो आंसर मिलेगा मुझे 1 by 2 into 100 by 202. So 2 ones, 250s. So 225s, 2 101s. Answer is 125 by 101. This is the answer. Check कर लो एक बार options. 25 by 101 option B is correct beta. Option B is correct. 101 I'm getting. So option B is correct. Hope you got the point. Hope you got the point. See, this type of questions are quite simple actually, very interesting too. I didn't do anything beta. For understanding purpose, I wrote each and every step. But if you solve with a pen, if you write with a pen and paper, you know, need not write all this stuff. Need not write this stuff actually. So the first term, मैंने क्या किया इधर देखो n value substitute किया 1. If I substitute 1 here, this is what the term I get. If I substitute 2, this is what the term I get. N value 3 till you substitute 100. So everything will be getting cancelled. Look at this. Everything will be getting cancelled. The terms which are in between 1 by 2 and this one, the बीच वाले terms सब cancel हो जाएंगे. मुझे मिलेगा ये वाला term, ये वाला term. तो उसको मैंने calculate simplify कर दिया. मुझे आंसर मिल गया 25 by 101. समझा? Getting my point, children? So 25 by 101 is the final answer. Okay, thank you, children. So I think I took extra time. So sorry. Let's meet in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.